When working to learn a new skill, a lot of people think going harder is the key to self improvement. More tutorials, more hours, more late nights. But here's the truth that no one says out loud. You don't grow faster because you're going harder. You grow faster because you think differently. That is your growth mindset. A fixed mindset will say, I'm not good at this. A growth mindset says, I'm not good at this yet. That one word is going to change everything. When you believe your skills can grow, you stop seeing challenges as proof that you're bad and you start seeing them as opportunities to improve. So, how do you build that growth mindset? Here are three things that can change that perspective for you. Number one, face the problems that you usually avoid. That bug you've been scared to touch, that feature that you've been holding off adding on, that's exactly where growth happens, where you are uncomfortable and you're challenging yourself. So face it head on and figure out ways how to resolve that bug or add those additional features. Number two, stop comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. You're watching someone who's been coding for 5, 10, 15 years, and your timeline is not theirs. And that's okay. Be comfortable with where you are and compare yourself to only you and make sure that you're improving each day and you're developing that compound interest as it relates to learning how to code. Number three, detach your self worth from your code. Look, bad code doesn't mean you're a bad developer. It just means you have some opportunity to improve. The moment you stop trying to identify with perfection, you're going to unlock real progress. Look, strive to improve. Don't strive to be perfect because you're going to continue to beat yourself up. And the fact is, no one is actually perfect in this space. This week, I want you to try this. Every time you get stuck, I want you to say out loud, I can get better at this. I don't want you to give up. I don't want you to get discouraged. Tell yourself that you can get better at this. I know it sounds simple, but you're training your brain to see the challenge as growth and not failure.